Hey guys, be here with another video for Whimsy stamps, and today's video is gonna be a little bit different. It's been a while since I posted a video of me just coloring a scene, and that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be using two stamp sets that are recently released. This one is the Ho 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 Dear, and this one is the Hello Dear. But to give you a little bit more in this video, I'm not only going to color, but I am going to tell you how I design my card when it's a scene card like I'm doing right now, and then we're going to color it together. Let's go ahead and make a card. Okay, so here is the first part for me. I design where and how I want my card. This is an A2, and then back here I know I want my line of trees with this set, these trees right here, and then I want my sentiment right there, my Santa, my gift bag, which is from this set as well, and then from this set I'm gonna use the tree stump, which I wanted there, and this little cute reindeer that is sitting I'm gonna put on top of that tree stump, like she's sitting right there watching Santa or drinking a hot cup of cocoa with Santa, because he has, oh no, he doesn't have, I thought he had a cup of cocoa too, but he doesn't. So she's just watching him, he's ready to go. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to stamp is gonna be my gift bag. I have here my mask ready to go, and what I use to make these are the post-it notes that are fully sticky. There we go. Next, I'm gonna do my Santa, and I'm gonna position him right about there. Then for this part, I want my reindeer sitting on this tree trunk. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna position my reindeer where I want it. Like so, it's gonna be like that. Stamp this one, mask it, and then stamp my my tree trunk. Here is my scene. I remove all the masks, and this is how it looks like. I am going to use the sentiment Happiest of Holidays right there in the middle, but I'm gonna do that at the end. Now I'm gonna speed through this part coloring my image, and I will see you when it's done. And this is how my card turned out. I used that marker, that snow marker, in case you don't know it. You just put some of the liquid where you want it and heat it up, and it makes that puffy texture, kind of like a fluffy texture, what I imagined all these parts are. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time.